Hey there, historians. This is your walkthrough of the Constitution Judicial Branch. So, this is the last in this series of lessons about the Constitution. Your goal, as it has been in the previous two lessons, is that you can identify members, responsibilities, and key powers of each of the three branches of the government as detailed in the Constitution. And again, this video helps you to understand how did we get to where we are today with the Constitution. Again, we have our introduction. This gives you a refresh of what we're talking about, how we moved from the Articles of Confederation to the Constitutional Convention, where they wrote a new constitution that is set up with checks and balances for the three branches of the Constitution in our government. And so today, what we're talking about is the judicial branch. This is an audio file here. It will read you this information and a little bit of additional information. So pay close attention. Slide 5, we really get into the details here of what the judicial branch has control and power over. So again, you can listen here and follow along. And then we kind of wrap it up here when we talk about the balance of all three of these systems. So how do they all balance off of each other, and why is knowing that we have this three-legged system, why is it so important? When we get into our activity page, it is the same as what we have been doing. So we're matching the labels on the perimeter of the page with each of these bands below. And so there is 5 powers that you have to identify for the judicial branch. There was 9 in legislative, there was 8 in executive, and there are 5 that you need to find for the judicial branch. And then when we get into our additional videos, there's some fun videos here about what is the judicial branch. This is very detailed. It would really help you out when you're doing your activity page if you're kind of stuck. And this is a fun video about how the judicial branch, how they balance out what should happen in cases of disagreement. And then again, you have seen these before, Brain Pop, activity page, Constitution will take, these both will take you to the constitution.org website. So it's an external website. And then what are the checks and balances? How do all three of these systems work together? Because of course, your goal is that you can identify the members, the responsibilities, and the key powers of each of the three branches of the government as detailed in the Constitution. Enjoy, historians.